Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have absolutely gorgeous conditions out there this morning. Temperatures dropping into the upper 60s overnight last night. Humidity levels pretty good for this time of year as well, so it's going to be a very comfortable day today, seeing those high temperatures warming into the mid 80s. We'll take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see high pressure building into the mid-Atlantic states, bridging over to northeastern United States this morning. With that surface high providing us with dry conditions today. Really no threat for precipitation as we work our way throughout today and even through the next several days, as high pressure will be in control of our weather. I want to look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, showing winds out of a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere. Seeing those winds turn more northerly in direction as we get up to about 6,000 to 7,000 feet. And eventually turning out of the northwest and then out of the southwest as we go up in height. Pretty low wind speeds as we go through the first 25,000 feet of the column. As you see, the max wind that we can find is at that 25,000 foot level at 35 knots. Freezing level this morning is at 14,000 feet. I'm going to take a look here at our visible satellite imagery. You can see the high thin cirrus cloudiness streaming in from the southwest. Going to continue to spread over our region as we go through the next several hours, so expect to see that high thin cirrus cloudiness persist throughout the day today, but it will be very thin and we'll see plenty of sunshine appearing through that upper level cloudiness as we go throughout the afternoon hours today, and then into the evening hours we'll see most of that upper level cloudiness dissipate and move off to the southeast. So mostly sunny skies expected for today, and then mostly clear skies expected for tonight as high pressure really settles into our region. I want to take a look here at our radar. You can see really no precipitation anywhere near our area. Got to go all the way out to the Midwest to see any rain activity in the eastern portion of the United States. A few showers off the coast, but the eastern seaboard pretty dry this morning as high pressure really controls the weather for the eastern portion of the United States. I want to take a look here at a computer model and what we can expect for the next several days. And as we go through the day on Friday and into Saturday, you can see very little in the way of any kind of shower activity across the Mid-Atlantic region. A few pop-up showers showing up here off to our north and west, but it does look like we're going to avoid any of those stray showers as we go through the next couple of days and into the weekend. Very comfortable conditions, very good conditions for outside activities this weekend. If you do have any plans, it should be one of the nicer weekends we've had. Humidity levels will be pretty comfortable for this time of year. They'll get a little higher as we go to the latter portion of the weekend, but still not all that bad for the end of July, as we'll see high temperatures generally running in the mid to upper 80s. And then as we get into the first part of next week, we'll start to see those humidity levels increasing. This would be Monday afternoon, still remaining dry, but seeing a little bit more muggy atmosphere out there, and we'll see some temperatures warming into the upper 80s to around 90 by the beginning of next week. And then as we go into the middle of next week, that'll likely be the first chance we see of any precipitation, any significant chances anyway, by Wednesday night. You can see here on the map seeing some showers and thunderstorms up in the DC and Baltimore region Wednesday evening that could make their way down to the Wallops region during that time as well. I think it looks like Thursday will probably be a better chance of seeing some precipitation as that slow moving front begins to move this way, and we get a little bit of upper level support as well during the Wednesday and Thursday time period. But all in all, looks like a pretty dry stretch of weather coming to the Wallops region here for the next several days, with the middle of next week looking like the best chance for any significant precipitation that we'll see over the next several days. Over the next 24 hours, a green chart across the board with no weather hazards to be concerned with. We'll see mostly sunny skies today, mostly clear skies tonight. Daytime high of 85 for your Friday, a low temperature of 67 degrees for tonight. Light winds generally out of an easterly direction as we go throughout the next 24 hours. We'll see those winds turn a little bit more northerly in direction early Saturday morning, but they will be very light and only about 3 to 6 knots as you wake up for early Saturday. Next 7 days, looking at very good conditions across the board. We see Temperatures mid to upper 80s for the next few days here as we go into the weekend. And then as we go into the beginning of next week, we'll see, again, a little bit more humid atmosphere with a high temperature of 90 for Monday, 90 degrees for Tuesday, also a high of 90 for Wednesday. That's when we'll see our next chance for some precipitation in the form of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Looks like that'll most likely be later in the day on Wednesday. Wednesday evening will be the best chance of seeing any kind of shower activity here at Wallops. And then as we go into the day on Thursday, looking at some scattered showers and thunderstorms moving into the region with that slow-moving cold front that we mentioned earlier. And it does look like a bit better chance on Thursday than what we'll see on Wednesday, about 40% chance for your Thursday. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.